are G1 garlics. These are all G1 garlics. Because it's already dry and there is no rain and there is no no snow also. So that's why some these leaves become yellow now. So need water for this one. That's why my husband is watering. That's over there also. That is all G1 garlics. And over there that is normal or ordinary garlics. So we start from here. You did not put hair there? Yesterday you put hair? Yesterday my husband, he put water here. So, and today, here, this side. You see, as you can see, the leaves already yellow. But this is not the problem there. So, this is not problem. And inshallah, we can harvest this one by June, July, May. But last year we harvest June like that. Okay. By May, we inshallah last week of May. So last week of May we will harvest. But this normal garlics, same also. So we will go there after. Ayan. So how many months now? Because we plant this one August 14. That is Independence Day. You know. So August, September, October, November, December, January. 5 months now. So January, February, March, April, May. So 9 months na. So 4 months more. Then we have to harvest. Ayan. O tingnan nyo itong Labanos radish. Ang laki o. Ang taba o. Mashallah. And all leaves, our goats, they eat already. Who eat this one there? Leaves? All goats? Our 3 goats, they eat already leaves. But it's no problem. Eh? Yeah, you see oh, ang taba oh. Buti pa yung Labanos, ang taba. At and then this is there is also inside this one there. No, this one radish. Yeah, there is more down the under the field. Ayan. I think almost half this one, no? Down. More than half down the field. Ayan, ito na ano na. Ayan na tanggal na yung dito, ha? So, and there also potato here. You put also water here in potato. Ayan mga patatas. When you plant this one last ano no? November. So we plant this one November. Ayan mga patatas. Ayan. Mag-tour tayo. Hindi pa ito nadiligan nila kayo. But you have to put water here also? No more water in potato, no problem. But garlic I have to put water. Yeah. Potato, it's no problem if you will not put water. But much better if you put little na. Yeah. So ayan. Ito mga G1 garlics. And then ito din mga potatoes. Ayan. When you plant this one? November? Yeah, November. So November, December, January. And then we have to harvest this one March? Yeah, by March we have to harvest. November, December, January, February, March. So 4 months. After 4 months we have to harvest. Ayan mga labanos. Ayan oh. Ang dami pa rin labanos. Ayan. Daming may mga tubers. Ayan, kumuha ako ng plastic para kung ano yung mga kukunin ko dito. Kaya lang, winter na kasi ngayon, kaya dry na. Mashallah, ito oh, very big. Oh, mashallah. Ayan, ito oh, pinaka mataba. Ayan, ang taba-taba oh. Grabe. Ayan oh. Ayan, ang taba. Nakikita nyo? Ayan, mga radish. Ito, mga radish. Yan. Oh, ito din. Malaki. Ha? Yeah, I know. Ayan, mga labanos. Dami lang labanos dito. So, isa-isahin kong ano. Ito naman mga patatas. Ito, labanos. Oh, ayan. Oh, patatas. May kamatis pa dito na dry na. My husband, he removed some cherry tomatoes yesterday. Ayan, mga labanos. Oh, ayan, mga G1 garlics din ito. Ayan. Oh. Ito mga ano ito, yung Chinese pichay. Ayan, may ano na may mga flowers na mga G1 garlics. May mga patatas na nakasama. Ayan, oh, may ano. Ayan, marami pa ring bunga. Ala, mashallah na dar, so many still here. Cherry tomatoes. Ayan. Ayan, oh. Pwede pang ano, oh, meron doon sa taas. Oh, ang red na red. Ayun, oh, kukunin ko mamaya yun. Ayan, dry na itong aming mga tanim kasi winter na, out of season na. Ito naman yung mga ano, yung patola, yung ano ba ito? Yung sponge guard na dry na. Ayan, oh. So may binhi kami dito na ayan, mga kamatis pa, marami palang bunga, oh. Oh. And then ayan, ito yung ano pang binhi namin, patola. Ayan. Malapit ng ano. Pwede na. Dark and be also na this one already na. Ayan, oh. May pang binhi na kami. So ito, ayan. Mga G1 garlics. Marami kaming G1 garlics ngayon. Mas marami ngayon compared last year. So inshallah marami kaming harvest. Ayan mga G1 garlics. Ayan mga manok ni Fahad. Ayan. Oh. Ito mga patatas din. Last November din ito tinanim. Ayan mga patatas. May ano, may fertilizer na yung ano, tae ng kambing. Ayan yung kambing namin. Yan yung anak niya. Oh. Ang mother is brown, ang anak is black. So 2 months na ito, Dad? 2 months, 2 months is already 2 months, but mashallah, ang bilis niyang lumaki. Ayan mga patatas. So ito mga G1 garlics pa rin. Yan. Sila kay si Salamdar. Ayan, oh. Ito mga normal, ordinary garlics. Ayan, oh, nag-dry na, oh. Dry already here. Ayan, oh. But it's okay, it's no problem. Doesn't matter if this stalk or leaves is become yellow. So that's why my husband is putting water here so it will become green again. Ayan, oh. Wala kasing ulan. Ilang buwan ng ano, walang ulan. And then there, walang snow this year. Compared last year, ilang beses nag-snow. Ayan, oh. Ay, this one remove already, Dar? Huh? I will give there or ito naman patatas. Tree of apple. Ayan, kalbo na. Wala nang leaves. Ayan, ito. Mansanas din. So, ayan, ito lang yung ano namin, mga tanim namin. Pero by March, April, May, June, yan. Season na naman pagtanim ng by March dar or April, May. Now we have to plant again many kind of vegetables.
No, I have to plant now. January,
So
I plant tomorrow, inshallah.
So we can plant now this coriander leaves or what is more? this rosemary, fenugreek leaves, and what is more?
Anything, even
Anything what is
bamboo.
turnips. Yun sa baba, ayan, wala pang, hindi pa namin nataniman yan. Kasi we have to plant here corn. Corn, we have to plant corn or wet?
Yeah, inshallah.
Mm. So, ayan. Kukuha, Dara, I will get radish. I want to make, what you call this? Moli paratha or radish paratha. Ayan, o labanos. Ayan. Oh. Meron din sa baba, kaya lang ano na eh. Kunti lang doon sa baba. Ayan, labanos din oh. Ayan, mataba din itong labanos oh. Ayan, doon sa baba meron din G1 garlics. May mga labanos din diyan. Kaya lang nag-dry na talaga. Oh. Yan, kamatis. Ito, dito kami nagtanim ng ano, ng cucumber o kaya pipino. Kaya yan yung leaves niya. So, ito lang ang ano, update tour ko ngayon. Kasi ilang araw na din akong hindi bumaba. Yan. So, ayan. Tingnan nyo ang aming mga neighboring houses. Mga puno. Ayan, kalbo na. Bald na. Mga trees. Ayan, yun yung bahay namin. Ayan. Hindi lumabas silangga. Ayan. Nandito ako sa baba dito sa aking binan na ano na bahay. Ayan, mga kapitbahay namin. Ayan, kumuha ako ng ano konting kamatis. Pero kahapon na kinuha na nila kay. Ito mga ano ito spinach oh. It's already coming out again. Ayan, may mga leaves na ano maliliit. Ayan, dami dito spinach. Ayan oh. Spinach lahat ito, ayan oh. Ayan. May labanos pala dito oh. Ayan, mataba din. Buti pa yung mga labanos matataba. Ayan oh, ito may ay nag-crack na ito. Ay wala na na ano na. Ayan, mga spinach. This is carrots. Ayan, carrots ito. Ayan, labanos. Mga spinach. Ayan. Meron din sibuyas. Ito yung sibuyas. Oh. Where is more onion, Serdar? Only here? Eh? No more? Ayan, mga spinach. So, kukuha ako ng labanos. Gagawin kong ano. We can eat also salad. You can get no, Dar? Where? Yun yung isang kambing namin, oh. Now my husband will get radish. This is carrots also, Darna? Eh? What is this? This is wild carrot. Why you get this one? No, Darno. Yeah. No. This is good. For salad also and for ano, paratha, moli paratha. And this one also. Ayan payat. To you get. Mahaba. Very long. Oof. Ayan. Enough.
No?
Enough this one paratha dar or ano?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, ayan, tama na ito. Fresh from the field. Cherry tomatoes. Marami pang labanos doon, kaya lang dalawa lang itong kinuha ko kasi gagawa ako ng moli paratha o radish paratha. At saka ito naman yung kamatis. Out of season na, kaya hinarbis nila kay yung nahinog. Meron pang mga ano doon na hilaw. So ito lang yung medyo hinog, at saka ito ay papahinog ko na lang. Ayan.